the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making baked ziti. The ingredients that we're going to need today are dry basil leaves, parsley flakes, ground black pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, sugar, ziti pasta, olive oil, sea salt, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, your favorite pasta sauce, ricotta cheese, onion, garlic cloves, and also ground beef. Okay, I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need one 16-ounce box of ziti pasta, parsley for garnish at the end, 1 pound of ground beef, 16 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 24-ounce cans or jars of your favorite pasta sauce, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 onion diced, 1/2 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar, that is optional, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red parsley flakes, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, to a pot of boiling water, you want to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our ziti pasta. We're going to let that cook for 9 minutes. Now, in a heated saucepan over medium heat, you want to add your 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You're going to let that come to temperature. Next, we're going to add in our onion. You want to allow that to saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in your minced garlic. Allow that to saute for 1 minute. Now you can add in your ground beef. Now I'm going to go in and just break my meat apart and mix it well with the onion and garlic. Now you want to season your meat with your garlic powder, your sea salt, and also your ground black pepper. We're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to go ahead and let our meat brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it of any excess grease. When your pasta is done cooking, all you want to do is drain it and set it to the side in a bowl. Once you're done draining your ground beef, return it back to your pan. Next, we're going to add our pasta sauce in. Okay, we're just going to mix that around. Make sure it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our basil, our red pepper flakes, our Italian seasoning. And guys, I like to add a little bit more to mine. I add more garlic powder, more onion powder. That's up to you. And now I'm going to add some sugar to mine. And that's totally optional. You don't have to do that. So we're just going to go ahead and mix everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, so I placed the lid over top of mine and we're going to let it saute for 5 minutes. Make sure you guys taste it, and if you need a little bit more seasoning, go ahead and add it. Okay guys, once your sauce is done simmering, I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into the bowl. And you also want to set some aside to line the bottom of your baking dish. Okay guys, as you can see, I put some sauce to the side. Now I have my pasta noodles. And all I'm going to do now is start adding my sauce to it. And once I'm done, I'm just going to mix it well. Okay guys, you want to set your oven to 350 degrees. I have my casserole dish. So all I'm going to do now is take the sauce that I reserved. I'm just going to spread it out on the bottom. Next, I'm going to go ahead and layer with my noodles. Now I'm going to go in with my mozzarella cheese. On top of the mozzarella cheese, I'm going to take my ricotta cheese and I'm just going to put dollops onto it. Next, I'm going to go over top with my parmesan cheese. Now we're going to add a top layer of our pasta. On top of our pasta, we're going to go ahead and add our mozzarella cheese. Then we're going to take our remaining Parmesan cheese, just sprinkle it on top. And I'm going to put a little bit of parsley for color. Now we're going to put it in our oven, 350 degrees. And allow it to cook for 25 minutes. Okay guys, so our baked ziti is now done. I'm going to let it cool off some. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how nice and cheesy this is. As you can see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.